Body detox, awesome body. Hi, welcome back to Naturel. I have a question for you. Have you laughed today? Very nice. Excellent. Now that we are relaxed, we are ready to start. But first, click the subscription button and the notification bell, so you do not miss on future videos. You can easily make your own remedies that are ideal for body detoxification. You will need to use purified water. You can purchase purified water in the grocery store or get it right out of your tap if you have a water purifying system in your home. If you do not have a water purifying system, you should consider getting one for your home. This can help you keep your body free from some of the impurities you get from water. 8 ounces of water. 1 teaspoon of flax seed oil. 1 teaspoon of basil. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic. Combine all of the ingredients with the water and drink it. After drinking, wait 5 minutes for the solution to settle and then drink 2 more glasses of water. This acts as a detoxifier for the entire body and is good for both the digestive system as well as the circulatory system. For best results, use fresh herbs and garlic. Alternate use, you can substitute rosemary for basil. Now you can celebrate.